Miko's friends. I hope you all are doing good. Okay, so your Miko is back with a new book. You can see the book name on my screen, right? Yes. So today we are going to read a storybook and its name is The Very Impatient Caterpillar. And this book is written by Rose Burek. By the way, Miko's friends, have you all read the book The Very Hungry Caterpillar? Yes, I know. We all may have read that book, no? So, the same caterpillar story I am going to say today also. But that was the very hungry caterpillar. But here, today, I am going to tell you a story about the very impatient caterpillar. And do you know what is impatient? Yes, opposite of patience, right? Yes. Okay. So let us see. Let us watch and let us read about this impatient caterpillar story. Okay? Let us see why this caterpillar is impatient. Okay? Ready? Let's start. This is the first page in our storybook. Okay? So here in this picture we can see some caterpillars. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now let us see what this caterpillar is asking. Hey, what are you guys doing? Then what this other caterpillar said? We are going to metamorphosize. Meta? What now? Transform into butterflies. Right, I knew that. See? This caterpillar asked, what's this metamorphosize? Then, Miko's friends, do you know what is metamorphosize? Yes, transform into butterflies. We all know that the caterpillar will change to butterflies through a process, and that process is called metamorphosize. Okay. Then, wait, you are telling me I can become a butterfly? Yes. With wings? Yes. For real? Yes. Wait for me. What happened? This caterpillar was really surprised. About what? I can become a butterfly with wings for real? This caterpillar didn't know that he can become a butterfly. So, once he realized that, what he said? Wait for me. Now what? Build your chrysalis. Chrysalis? Right. I knew that. What? How did you do that? Is it a spin or more of a toy? Am I a butterfly yet? Oof. Is he a butterfly yet? No. He made his chrysalis. Now what? Just be patient and let nature take its course. Patience? Right. I got this. Am I a butterfly yet? No. How about now? No. Now? No. Be patient. Now you realized that this butterfly is not patient. That means he is impatient, right? Yes. Next, what happened? Again, he is going to ask something. I have a question. Not yet, he shouted. "Hmm, you don't even know what I was going to ask." "Fine, ask." "How's your day going? Also, am I a butterfly yet?" "No, just be patient." See, from these words, you will get to know how much impatient is this caterpillar, right? Yes. By the way, Miko's friends, are you all patient or impatient? You like patience or impatience? Patience, right? We all should be very patient. Okay, so now let us see what's going to happen. Shh, we are trying to metamorphosize. Okay, okay. Obviously, I know this. But do you know how long this takes? 2 weeks. Right. 2 weeks. 2 weeks? Oh, see, friends, will it take 2 weeks to become a butterfly from caterpillar? Yeah, that's how long takes a caterpillar to become a butterfly. How long it will take? 2 weeks. Okay. But friends, do we need to wait for 2 weeks to see this butterfly? Oh no, we will finish this book by 2 minutes, then we will see our butterfly, our beautiful butterfly, right? Let's move. Oh, what am I going to do in here for 2 weeks? Can I get a comic book or something? What if I need the bathroom? 2 minutes later, hello, 2 pizzas please. My address, a chrysalis. Click. Hello. 3 minutes later, anyone want to play a game? How long have I been here? It's still day 1. This is taking forever. That's it. I feel metamorphosized enough. Look out, world. Feast your eyes on this beautiful butterfly. How do I look? Transformed? Time to spread my wings and fly. Wait! Flap. Where are my wings? Splat! Time for a new approach. See? And that's what happens when you are impatient. This caterpillar was impatient, so what happened? He didn't wait for 2 weeks. After the first day, what he did? You saw in this picture, right? So, that is why all of us says that we should be impatient. Okay? I know Miko's friends are impatient. Okay, you can do this. You can be patient. See, this caterpillar started to read a book. What's that book name? You Can Transform Your Life. See, this is the book read by this caterpillar. Okay, he's having a mirror in front of him and he's trying to transform his life. Let us see what happens. Oh, who am I kidding? I can't be patient. You are the little caterpillar that could. I'm the little caterpillar that I couldn't. Get a grip, you can. I can't, I can't. You can. I can't. You can. I can't. You can. I can't. Can't. Oh. See? This caterpillar is fighting by himself, right? So, day one started. Day one, I can be patient. Day two, patience is all in the mind. Day three, be one with the chrysalis. Day four, deep breathe in. Day five, and out. Day six, look, day six. Day 7, I'm doing it. Day 8, just be patient. Day 9, just be patient. Day 10, day 11, and here we go 2 weeks later. Friends, what's going to happen after 2 weeks? Let us see. Yes. Ready? I'm going to turn the next page. I did it. I am a butterfly. You can see a beautiful butterfly here. So, at last, he became a beautiful butterfly. You know, I do feel transformed. Starting now, I'm going to be way more patient. That's great. See what this butterfly is saying? He knew that when he was a caterpillar, he was very impatient, and now, after when he became a butterfly, he is saying that I'm going to be way more patient. So from today, he will be more patient. Let us see. Hey, where are you all going? We are migrating. Migrating? Right. Wait for me. Are we there yet? Oh, see, Miko's friends? Just now, what this butterfly said? He knew that he was very impatient when he was a caterpillar, but now, after when he became a butterfly, he said, from today I'll be more patient. But is he patient now? From these words, we will get to know that he is still impatient, right? Yes. But I know, my lovely friends, you did a great job. You were very patient to listen and read this book completely to see that beautiful butterfly, right? Yes, we were wanted to see whether this impatient caterpillar will become a butterfly or not. That is why we all were very patient and we all were completed reading this book. And that was about the very impatient caterpillar. Is it time yet? By Rose Burak. Friends, is it time yet?